So welcome back to November 14 Victor Echo, and we got to talk about a new challenge that we discovered in our build that might make things difficult.
In our build? Honey, in our life.
So the Tuesday before Oshkosh, I was informed by my company I had been working at for about 4 years as the head of engineering that I was being laid off. So I'm currently unemployed. I went to Oshkosh unemployed this year. And fortunately, they have done the best that they can to, in terms of severance. So nothing is an immediate danger, and that we very much appreciate. But it's weird not waking up every morning stressed out to go to work and, do the kind of work that I've been passionate about for so long, helping YouTube creators be successful. It's kind of why we started this channel. It's not because Melissa wanted to start this channel.
We all know how much I love doing the YouTube channel.
It's because I needed a channel with real content, real performance, real everything to use with the product that we were creating. And as a sidetrack to it, it became something we enjoy doing. Well, I enjoy doing. You reluctantly.
I love you.
I love you too, sweetheart. So we're going to keep the channel going because I have more free time. You may have noticed recently I've been doing some more videos solo by myself because I have free time, and thankfully, Melissa, you're working hard keeping things going for us. But the only major component of this build that we don't have is the engine. And it's scheduled to come to us early October, which means we're expecting a phone call from Vans Aircraft, really
60 days before then.
Which carry the one,
Soon.
Like could be next week.
Yeah.
Saying we need the last chunk of change. Now, fortunately, we had all the money for this airplane has been saved up for since we started. We have the money.
But that's our savings.
But that's our savings. I mean, it was earmarked for the airplane.
Yes.
Aside from that, we've done enough smart things that, again, we're not panicking. No one, Millie's going to have dinner for every night from here on out. She may have to skimp on breakfast. No. So we're fine. But now I have to go find a new job. If I get a new job in a reasonable amount of time, we may actually come out ahead a little bit. But the job market is scary right now. So do we call Vans and say, hey, can you delay us a month or two? I'm worried about that for all kinds of reasons.
I think we have some important decisions that we need to make together. It's a lot of money that is sitting there. Yes, it's earmarked for the plane, but it could, potentially float us a little while longer till we get finances straightened out, whole job situation. So it's kind of like, I get it. Vans is going to want their money and they say, you got an engine. But do we just give it to them and say, here? I don't know.
It's at some point we got our engine at a really good price. And then, yes, we did have to pay a little bit extra during the bankruptcy and the things, but still the amount our engine is going to cost us is a lot smaller than if we had to order it today.
I know.
And we would never get a Thunderbolt like we are if we ordered it today. Our Thunderbolt is coming in cheaper, even after the adjustments, than a brand new factory one, non-Thunderbolt ordered today.
I realize that.
So if we delay much, I think the cost is going to go up on us, as Vans is able to do under the new terms. Also, if we don't get the engine now and we push it out and things don't get better, then we've got almost an airplane, but we have no chance of having an airplane. And if things don't get better, I can at least be finishing this airplane up.
Really? Did you just say,
so
I don't have a job, but I finished the airplane?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So if I'm currently interviewing with you, maybe delay a little bit and hire me later so I can finish the airplane and then work. Okay, we'll figure it out. Obviously, we got to take care of family. So it's a big decision, for what to do. I don't know, maybe enough people click the super thanks and donate.
Here's the link to our OnlyFans.
GoFundMe?
No.
No, yeah, we can make more. No, we're not doing that. So again, we're not in any danger right now. It's just been a time to sit back and think. I will say Oshkosh for me has typically been a week of stress getting ready for Oshkosh because I got to get work ready, got to get packed, got to get everything out, and it's like last minute leaving, close the laptop, make Oshkosh happen, worrying about work while I'm at Oshkosh, and then coming back the week after Osh and figuring out all the things the team should have had my help for but didn't, and fixing it all. It's kind of freeing having like a whole week before Osh gone. I don't have to worry. I did make some good connections at Oshkosh this year, knowing the situation that I was in that might pan out to next opportunities. So, I've been very open and honest and transparent about where I've been. So a lot of you watching probably heard me talk about this already at Osh, but got to figure out what's next. So like I said, on the plus side, it does give me more time to work on the airplane.
I realize that. I just want to make sure we make the right, smart financial decision.
I will say a lot has to go wrong for us to even consider selling this airplane. So that's not on the table. Do not make us an offer because it's not going to happen. But if we do get to a spot a year out, 2 years out, where maybe we just can't get the finances together as a result of this, which again, I don't think that's going to happen. Having everything to sell is going to have a lot more value than selling everything except for the engine. So if we can get this plane put together and flying, it's going to be have a lot more value in it. And actually, if we get this plane put together and flying, then we can take out a loan against the airplane, and that could be our savings account.
Oh,
so
Lord. You're stressing me out.
My opinion is get the engine, get this plane built flying, because it gives us more options. We are loan free, debt free on this airplane as a whole. Our only major money that we owe is on the house mortgage, like I think most normal Americans. So we're in good position. But hey, if you're hiring a grumpy old software engineering leader, reach out, let me know. I'd be happy to work for you.
One, you're not grumpy, and two, you are not that old.
But I do lead software developers. I make software developers better. So I didn't think I was going to turn this into a plea for a job, but hey, you never know. I've been pleasantly surprised by the people in the aviation community that I've talked to, and simply by letting them know opportunities. That's the core of networking, is you got to start talking. So anyways, we got some big decisions to make. We've decided that we'll wait for that email from Vans to say pay us, and then we'll make the decision. I think we both kind of know where we stand. We'll see, rock, paper, scissors when it comes time. But that's in addition to working on the airplane, keeping the channel going, doing a little job searching. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Oh,
Keep your job.
I'll do my best.
Yeah, that's,
See you next time.
See you next time.